Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, sit down. Today we will discuss about flow chart. So what is flow chart? Flow chart is a pictorial representation or the diagrammatical representation of programming language. Do you know what is program? Program means a set of instructions to run a specific task is known as program. What is program? It is a set of instruction. It is a set of instructions. It is a set of instructions to run a specific task. To run a specific task. So what is program? Program means it is a set of instructions to run a specific task. Then what is flow chart? Flow chart is a pictorial or a diagrammatical representation. Flow chart is a pictorial representation of programming language. Of a programming language. So what is program? Program means a set of instructions to run a specific task. And what is flow chart? Flow chart is a pictorial or a diagrammatical representation of programming language. Now we will discuss about the symbols of flow chart. The symbols of flow chart. Symbols of flow chart. How many symbols in a flow chart? Number one is your start or stop. Start or stop. Then this is your processing box. This is your processing box. Very good. Processing box. And this box is your input box. This is the decision box. This is the decision box. And which type of symbol? Input symbol. Yeah, input box. Then this is your connector symbol. This is the connector symbol. And the last one is your flow lines. Last line is your flow lines. So these are the symbols of flow chart. Number one, your start or stop box. Number two is your processing box. Number three is your decision box. Number four is your input box. Number five is your connector. And last is in your flow lines. Flow lines means your up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Now clear to everybody? Okay. Now discuss what is operator. What is operator? What is operator? So what is operator? It is a symbol. It is a symbol which gives. It is a symbol which gives a particular operation. A particular operation on a data. Operation in a data. So what is operator? Operator is a symbol which gives a particular operation on data. So what are the types of operator? Number one is your arithmetic operator. Number one is your arithmetic operator. Number two is your relational operator. Number three is your conditional operator. Number four is your assignment operator. Assignment operator. And number five is your logical operator. logical operator. I will explain these operators line by line. So what are the symbols of arithmetic operator? Plus, minus, into, division. यानी कि addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What are the symbols of the relational operator? Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Then what is the conditional operator? Conditional operator means your and or. Then what is the assignment operator? Assignment operator means your equal sign. Then what is the logical operator? Logical operator means either true or false. Either true or false. Listen, what is operator? Operator is a symbol which gives a particular operation on a data. Particular operation on a data. So I have already told about the types of operator and the symbols of operator. Yes or no? So operator is a symbol. Suppose I have given two numbers 5 and 3. I have given two numbers. One is your 5 and another is 3. Listen, operator is a symbol which gives a particular operation in a data. So data means one is your 5 and another is your 3. If I will put the plus sign, because operator is a symbol, if I will put the plus sign, what is the operation? Addition means your 8. Yes or no? If I will put minus sign, then which type of operation? Subtraction. If I will put the multiplication, this symbol, then what is our output? Multiply. If I will put the divide symbol, it means the division of the numbers. The division of these numbers. Suppose I will put 5 greater than 3. It's true. 5 greater than 3. It's true. Means your logical operator. If I will put 5 less than 3, it means it is false. Logically it is false because 5 is always greater than 3. Now clear? Operator is a symbol which gives a particular operation on data. Now clear to everybody? So what are the symbols of arithmetic operator? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, relational, less than equal to, greater than equal to, then your conditional operator and or assignment operator, equal sign, then your logical operator means true and false. Now clear? What is flowchart? What are the symbols of flowchart? What is operator and what are the types of operator? Now clear to everybody? Okay. Now we will start how to draw a flowchart. How to draw a flowchart. Do you know what is the full form of WAP? Yes, Divyangsi? WAP means write a program. What is the full form of WAP? Write a program. Okay. Question is WAP to input. WAP to input two numbers and calculate sum. So first is our start box. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Then our input box. Then our input box. Input box means input A, comma B. Then what is our processing box? Sum equals to A plus B. Then print sum, then stop, then stop. Clear? Draw a flowchart or write a program to input two numbers and calculate sum. Start, input A and B, then sum equals to a plus b, then print sum, then stop. Clear? So likewise, we can do like the subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes or no? Clear? Clear to all? Okay. Next question is, draw a flow chart. Draw a flow chart to input mark, to input number and check if it is even number, even or odd number. Odd number. Listen carefully. Even number and odd number. Even number means the number which is divisible by 2 is known as even number. If you will divide the 4 divided by 2, so definitely it is the even number, because the quotient value whatever it may be, but the remainder value must be 0. Up? Clear? Then what is odd number? Odd number means the number which is not divisible by 2 is known as odd number. The number which is not divisible by 2 is known as odd number. 5 divided by 2, so definitely your remainder value must be 1. But if we will take the 4 divided by 2, so definitely it is the even number, because the remainder value is always 0. Now clear? So how you will start? Number 1 is start. Number 2 input book. Input box means your input number. Now we will take the decision box. Now we will take the decision box. What is our decision box? If number modulus 2 equals to 0, and if it is true, then it is the even, and if it is the false, then it is the odd. Yes or no? Then you stop. रुकिए एक मिनट. First start, then input number, because our question is to input number and check if it is even and odd. If it is even and odd. So it means if number percentage 2, this is not the percentage but this is the modular number. If any number divided by 2, if it is true, then it is the even number. If it is false, then it is the odd number. So double equal sign means your quotient value is whatever it may be, but the remainder value must be 0. It means double equal symbol means your comparison, and comparison between your quotient value and your remainder value. Now clear to everybody? Okay. Now clear? Now clear? Yes. So double equal sign means your quotient value whatever it may be, but the remainder value must be 0, and specially double equal symbol means your comparison. Now clear?